Hey guys, it's Miss Horn coming to you today from Meadowview Elementary. We are going to finish our lesson 16 today. Please make sure you have already completed at page 159 before viewing this video. So if you haven't, please stop, go back and do it, and then pick up where we left off. Thank you. Alright guys, so you should be looking at me. We should be looking at the same sheet. You should have already completed this. You have the tiles in your packet. Okay? So, we're going to put it together. We're going to use what we have already learned in previous lessons to complete this task. Okay? It says for this task you'll need a 1-inch tiles and 1 centimeter tiles. So this is our 1-inch tile, and you'll have a white cutout square that looks like this. And you'll have a little cutout square, white square that looks like this. Okay? It says part A, use 1-inch tiles to make a ruler. Okay? So who remembers what we have been learning about earlier in this week that's very important in measurement? Okay? It should be that you need to line up whatever it is you're measuring with the 0. Okay? So we're going to line it up like we did there, and we're going to make a mark right here at the end. And what we're going to do, we're going to continue making those marks. We'll line it up like we did on the 0 with this other line. Then we're going to make another mark. We're going to repeat that same method here. Because remember, we're making our own ruler, and our measurements, our spaces between have to be equal. Alright, so now let's label it. We always have 0, then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And this is our 1-inch, 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, 5, and 6 here at the very end. This is our inch ruler. Inches. Okay? So next, we're going to do part B. Use the 1-inch centimeter tiles to make a ruler. So just like you would in our regular ruler, we're going to flip our other ruler around here, and we're going to put centimeters on our other side here. Again, you need to line it up, whether you're using inches or centimeters. You line your object up with the 0. Please take your time when doing this. We'll do just like we did before. Line up our one little with our other line here. Don't get frustrated. Yes, it can be a little tricky here with this little cube. It is so nice, guys, that you can already pick up a ruler in this sizes. Makes you appreciate it a little bit more. And we're just repeating, we're just lining it up equally because, again, our spaces are supposed to be equal on our ruler to get a true measurement. Alright, So again, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15 here on the very end. Okay, so our ruler is 15. Again, remember our unit of measurement, centimeters, and we learned earlier in the week that cm stands for centimeter. Okay, part C, it says explain the steps you took to make the rulers. Well, think back. As we were placing it, what did we do the very first step? What did we do here? Yes, step 1 was we lined the tile up. We lined the tile up with the 0. Okay, step 2. We just repeated that same step. We lined it up with the next line. We just lined up the tile. With the previous line. So we lined it up with the 0. We made our mark right here. Right here. Then we just, step 2, we moved it and lined it up with that previous line we just made and made our next line. Thank you guys for joining us today for finishing lesson 16. Don't forget to do your practice pages on page 175 and 76 in your Practice I Ready book. And please remember to complete your lesson 16 test by Monday. Thank you guys. Have a great weekend.